Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will work this easy boho top. You requested for a video tutorial, so here I am showing you how I made this super easy top. So let's get started. I'm using Wool Addict's Sunshine color and a 4mm crochet hook. And we will start with a magic ring, then chain 3 and work inside the ring 11 more double crochet. So we will have 12 stitches inside the ring after finishing this round. Now we will join with a slip stitch into the third chain. And for the second round we will have to transform this circle into a square, and we will use triple crochet stitches. So chain 4, and into the same stitch work another triple crochet, then chain 3 and 2 more triple crochet into the same stitch. And this was the first corner. Now we will work 1 triple crochet into the next 2 stitches, and we will repeat this section corner 2 triple crochet 3 more times to complete the square. So the corner will be 2 triple crochet, chain 3 and another 2 triple crochet into the same stitch. So let's make one more time the corner. So 2 triple crochet, meaning yarn over twice, then chain 3 and another 2 triple crochet. And now we will repeat to complete the square. And for the third round we will change the stitch into a double triple crochet. So we will chain 5 and we will work into each triple crochet. We will work a double triple crochet, and into each 3 chain space corner we will work 2 double triple crochet, chain 3 and another 2 double triple crochet. So the first chain 5 at the beginning of the round count as first double triple crochet. And we will repeat this until we will complete the round, working 1 double triple into each stitch, and in each 3 chain space corner 2 double triple, chain 3 and another 2 double triple. Now we will repeat this round until we complete the desired width. I worked in total 9 rounds, and after finishing the squares, because you will need to make 2, you will need to block them, because this double triple crochet stretch a little bit, and this is how it looks after blocking. So I place them on the mat and just with the steamer I just went on top of them. After blocking the squares, we will place them one on top of the other facing the wrong side, and we will join the shoulders. Depending on how wide you will like your neckline to be, you can choose how many stitches to join for the shoulders. I started into the middle stitch of the corner, and using slip stitches I joined 8 stitches. So I made 8 slip stitches in total. If you find it difficult to have this slip stitches looser, you can use a bigger crochet hook. Otherwise, it will get too tight. And then we will count on the other side again 8 stitches, starting with the middle stitch from the corner, the middle chain. Now I will cut the yarn here. Let's see. And I will count the stitches on the other side. I will give you the gauge information into the description box and also the final measurements of this top. But you can work as many rounds as you wish until you get to the desired width. For bigger sizes, if you need to work too many rounds, you might want not to have the same length, because you will add also width but also length. Then you can maybe work flat a few rows only on the sides of the square to just increase the width. So now let's just finish this other shoulder, and then using the same method we will join the sides. Again, depending on how deep you want your armhole to be, you can choose how many stitches to join for the sides. I joined in total 20 stitches on each side, and leaving the rest of the stitches open for the armhole. Now, because I had leftover yarn, I decided to add this fringe. I cut pieces of yarn of about 40 centimeters, and I will show you how to attach them. I will fold the strand in half and then insert the hook into the stitch where you want the fringe to be. Then insert the hook through the loop of the strand, pass it through the stitch, and then grab both ends and pass them through the loop and pull. So this is how I attach the fringe. I started at the shoulder and just put on one side of the shoulder one, then on the other side, to make sure that I have an even number of fringe on back and on front side of the armhole. And of course you need to make sure that you'll have the same number of fringe on the other sleeve. And then this is it. You just need to weave in all the ends and the top is done. I hope you liked this tutorial. It was a super easy one, and I think it's a perfect top for the summer. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!